It's like the social media of business. It's amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to continue this talking series that I'm doing. I'm really enjoying it at the moment, but today I'm going to build upon the last one. You can check that out back there. What do I mean by back there? in the card above, in the top right hand corner for you. So yeah, make sure you stick around to the end of the video today because I'm going to have a really important tip. I'm going to produce 5 tips for you on how to actually go out and get your clients. On the previous video we covered what it's like and how to ask for payment, but now I'm going to give you some practical tips on how to actually get those clients. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Anyway, enough rambling. So how can we actually go out and get physical clients, whether that be videography, cinematography, photographer or freelance? No matter what you're doing in the media industry, there are simple ways that you can go and get clients. So the first way is more geared towards the freelance stuff, and that is Fiverr. Now when I say Fiverr, I really mean freelance stuff. You know, you can do anything on Fiverr. Now the way that Fiverr works is you set up a gig, and then you sell that gig to people. They come up and they search for, I don't know, free video editor, and you would come up, and then that gig that you made would then make or break whether if they were going to buy your product or not, if they were going to hire you. So yeah, make your own gig on Fiverr and make sure that you promote it because it's freelance at the end of the day. Your whole business model on Fiverr is about securing the client and making sure that they do not leave your gig page, because if they leave your gig page, they're probably going to go find someone else, because there's quite a lot of sellers on Fiverr who offer the same thing, especially video editing or photo editing or whatever that is. Make sure that you put your best foot forward, because on Fiverr you're only allowed to have one video, and that video's got to be, I think it's below 50 megabytes in size, below 1 minute 15 in length, and you can only have 3 photos. So you have to put your best work on there and your best foot forward, otherwise someone's just going to leave you, just going to come on and go off. So the first one, Fiverr. Now my second tip is going out and establishing yourself in your local area. You know, sitting at home playing video games isn't going to get you any new clients. So first of all, before you go and battle and take on the world, you want to establish yourself in your local area, in your town, in your city, wherever it is. You want to be top of mind when someone thinks, oh hang on, I need a quick promotional video doing, I need a photo shoot doing. Who can, oh yeah, Jack Fernley, I know him, he sent me a message a couple of days ago. So you want to be first of mind, you want to establish yourself as the alpha, or for lack of a better words, in that area. So you are first of mind when someone thinks of something in your specialty field and they pick you. So go out and, I don't know, go to your local cafe and say, yo, I offer this, here's my website. If you want to see on me diving deeper into websites, you can click the link there. I talk deeper into the importance of your website, what to put on there and that kind of thing. But yeah, you can go into your local cafe, shops, your local council, give them an email, anything you want to do that's in your little, I guess, circle, in like, I don't know, couple miles radius or where you live. Make sure you go to establish yourself in your local area. Go up anywhere, just go up and meet them and say, yo, this is what I offer, this is what I do, because this step is more about doing. You have to do it, because you're not going to get anywhere if you don't do this step. You're not going to get anywhere if you don't take the action towards it. This step is more geared towards those who actually want to do the physical stuff instead of freelancing, who actually want to go out and with, I don't know, the camera and stuff like that, not just sat at home editing, doing whatever they want to do. This step is probably the most important one, because when you go and get a couple of clients through this way, what that's going to do is that's going to create word of mouth, and word of mouth is the most important thing when it comes to business, because we're in the business now. We're looking for clients. We are a business model. We might be a sole trader, whatever it is you want to do. It might be a business, you might work for a business, but we are in business now. And you want to put your best foot forward, and word of mouth is so important when it comes to this sort of stuff. So yeah, what it's going to do, go in, talk to them, give them your business card, give them your email, give them your website, whatever it is, and then they might come back to you. it's really hit or miss with this, but if they want something doing, they're going to come to you because you made that effort to go out and talk to them and establish yourself in your local area. And don't, when I say establish, don't stop at one cafe or the charity or just the council. Everything. Go to your bars, your nightclubs, your sports people, your council, everything in your local area. Go to them and give them your website or whatever it is that you use to host your portfolio. And number 3, networking. Now networking is kind of similar to the last point, but it's more geared towards actual events. So I've done quite a bit of a networking, and it is pretty tough, first of all, when you're first starting out, because you're like, oh god, I don't know. If you haven't got a lot of good social skills, or if it's your first time, it is pretty nerve-wracking. But if you want to, I mean, networking is just an entire skill all on its own. If you go out and network and build a client base at the same time, you're building 2 skills up at the same time, like your social skills and your client, learning how to deal with clients. So networking is a very good one, and the way I would do it is go to an event, like maybe say you're a student at university and your campus is holding out some sort of, like, let's say, event on videography or photography. Go out and put yourself there. Like, yo, my startup's new. I'm a freelance photographer. Here's my website. Network with people, mingle with people. Actually, go out and talk to them. All these steps won't help you if you do not put in the effort. So go out and network. It's so important. You have to go out and talk to people, because if you're not gonna go talk to people, you might as well hang up your coat right now, because this media is about communication, storytelling. You have to have a certain level of communication skills and social skills with dealing with clients. You're dealing with people, and that can be anyone. I mean, you don't know who you're going to deal with, especially in networking. You know, people are going to have like a certain mask on when it comes to networking. You're not going to see who they truly are until you actually start to deal with them, you start to working with them, because when people are networking, they like to put the best foot forward, as I said. But I mean, when you actually go out and deal with them, it could be any type of client. It could be amazing, like the best client you've ever had, or they could be an absolute bloody nightmare. So yeah, networking is the 3rd point. Go out on events, like maybe professional events or whatever it is, and network. Number 4, LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn's another big one, right? LinkedIn is so important because there's one reason why I love LinkedIn. You're all there for a purpose, and that's the same purpose: to do business. It's like the social media of business. It's amazing. So if you don't have a LinkedIn account right now, pause this video, go to linkedin.com and set up an account right now. Come back to this video once you've set up your account, because LinkedIn it's so important. I mean, you can host your portfolio on there. You put your best foot forward. You can have your testimonials. LinkedIn is the place to go, right? LinkedIn is the place to go. So if you don't have a LinkedIn account, do it. And if you think, oh god, no, it's like the other social medias, no, it's not. LinkedIn is, you're all there for the same purpose: to do business. They're all looking for a service, they're all providing a service. LinkedIn's the place to go, so make sure you set up your LinkedIn and ask for testimonials, and that's linking back to my other video you can see in the top right hand corner for asking testimonials. If you ask for a testimonial, get them to put it on your LinkedIn page. They can put however much they want on your testimonial on LinkedIn, but when someone looks up your LinkedIn profile, they can see all of your testimonials, and then you can screenshot that and put that on your website. You see how this is all linking together? LinkedIn, when someone recommends a testimonial, put it on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is the social media platform for business. Number 5, YouTube and social medias. Now this one's a bit iffy. I mean, you've got to do it. You have to do it. I mean, if you just stick to one of these methods, you're very limiting yourself. So put all of your best foot forward in all of these different aspects. LinkedIn, networking, establishing yourself in your local area, Fiverr, all of these. But YouTube, set up, I mean, just if you go record BTS behind the scenes of yourself, like you got your first job, hey guys, I'm doing my first job, and even if you're shy on camera, just 30 seconds and uploading it to YouTube shows people that you're committed and they know who you are. They're getting some insight on who they're going to be dealing with, on who they're going to be working with. So even if it's just a photograph, like if you're so camera shy, do a photograph and put it on Instagram. So if someone comes up on and looks up video editor and they see your post and they see that you've got your website link in your bios, and clicks that, and they might want to become your client just because you put that piece of content out there. Content production is a big part of what I do. I mean, I've got this YouTube channel, I'm producing content right now, but if you can put content out there, you're gonna have a step up on the other guy. Social media is very important. I would say I got a lot of business from Facebook as well. Like Facebook's another good one. Just on Twitter, what you want to do is go to the search bar, type in video editor or video editor needed, and click these jobs and message these people, DM them. Anyway guys, that's just going to be a quick video on how to go get your client. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe on the channel, and click that video up there because it's like another step forward on this video. So make sure to go check out that video. I go deeper into different ways and my experiences on how to ask for payment when you get these clients. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram for some quick tips, and I'll see you on the next video.